welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna take care of those brown bananas that often end up in the garbage. I'm going to be making a double chocolate banana bread that is so delicious. I knew from the moment I tasted this banana bread for the first time that this is gonna be my go-to recipe from when I have brown bananas, because oh my gosh, it's so good. So let's get started. Start by whipping up butter and brown sugar. Okay, this bowl I'm using is a little too small. I'm making a mess, so let's switch. Oh, much better. Add 2 ripe bananas and mush them up with a fork a bit. Whisk them up with the other ingredients. I drop in an egg and I mix it in, and then I add in another one. Perfect. At this point, I sift in the powders, so all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. This will help to have a fluffier result and also avoid clumps. Give it a quick mix until everything is well combined. Oh, and don't forget to add a pinch of salt that helps enhance the chocolatey flavor. Throw in the chocolate chips and also, if you like, add a few walnuts or any other nut. Give it a nice stir. And lastly, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Great, the dough is ready. Now butter a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Also cover it in parchment paper. First I put it on one side like this. I cut out the excess and I use them to also cover these other smaller sides. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. Right when it's out of the oven, I decorate it with some extra chocolate chips on top that will melt right away. It's so chocolatey and perfectly moist. I am in love. It's so chocolatey and so moist. It's just the perfect combination of flavors. I absolutely love it. I would love to hear your opinion if you get to try it out. So let me know in the comments below, and also please leave a thumbs up to my video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you next time. Bye bye.